In this video, we will be showing you how you can fix your Eufy battery that is draining too fast. So these issues are typically caused by frequent or unnecessary triggers and poor Wi-Fi connectivity or incorrect app device settings. So to fix it, just follow this. Lower the sensitivity level in draw an activity zone that excludes high traffic areas like public sidewalks, roads, or swaying trees or branches. This reduces the number of false alerts. Also, you can use the AI to detect only humans, eliminates power consumption from recording non-human motion. Example of this are passing cars or pets, so if you don't need those alerts. You can also switch the camera's working mode to optimal battery life or adjust custom recording settings. This may involve shortening the recording length or increasing the trigger interval. And lastly is to configure your device to stop recording events when you are at home and security monitoring is not needed. And that's how you can fix your UV battery that is draining too fast, and thank you for listening.